guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Goldie. If you are new, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you guys know when I post my next video. We are doing a PR unboxing, and I know I haven't been posting for a while, but hopefully this time around I will be consistent. I will be posting more vlogs, lifestyle content, all the good stuff. So let's get into this video. First package is from L'Oreal Paris. Let's see what I got. Wow. This is the L'Oreal Paris Color Sonic hair color cartridge and after color conditioner. And I got the Color Sonic hair color technology. Ooh, wow. So this is from Swiffer's X Oily. Open it. This is a cute box though. This is the Estee Lauder's Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This is what it looks like. Ooh, cute. Okay. This is nice because you're worth it. Oh, thank you. So cute. Oh, this is a Skin Fix Ceramide Prime Whipped Cream. So you can open it like this, or you can pump it. Wow, this is cool. This is the Infinity Lens Biotin Plus Collagen Shampoo and Conditioner. This is from Bare Minimal Ingredient Scalp Serum Itchy Scalp Relief Serum. And it's from Head and Shoulders. This is from The Ordinary, and it's the Alpha Arbutin 2% HA, a high strength serum to target dark spots and uneven skin tones. Let's see. This is Coloray Come Hell or High Water 24-hour volumizing lengthening tubing mascara. This is from CeraVe. It is a 2-in-1 anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo and conditioner. 2-in-1. L'Oreal Paris, and this is a 2% hyaluronic hair complex hyaluron plus plump replumping leave-in serum, 2 times more hydration from L'Oreal Paris. Okay. Ooh, it goes with my nails again. So cute. This is from Drunk Elephant. Cute. An Easy Blur Primer. Okay, this is the Bronze Fudge. And this is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. And this is the Airbrush Foundation. Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stain. This in the shade Rosewood. Okay, let's try it. Look at that. my Thayer's PR package because I am a brand ambassador. So let's see. This one is the facial toner rose petals. Wow. Oh, this is it. Oh, says, do you accept this rose toner? Of course. All right, so that's it. Let's open more of Thayer's PR. I got a little note. The exfoliating 2% AHA pads. Let's see. Not open yet, but I'm going to try this later after I take my makeup off. Is the hydrating milky cleanser. Okay, so this is a face wash. Wow. Okay. And I got another note. Guys, that's it for this PR package. I'm gonna put everything I got here so you guys can see what I got. I have 3 more packages and I can't open them as yet because I have to wait for it to be live because these are new stuff. So yeah. I just want to say thank you to all the brands that sent me PR packages, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.